Most people get this wrong when looking for the best new games on Giraffe. They immediately download every new game they see, hoping to maximize rewards as fast as possible. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best game isn't always the newest one. It's the one you'll actually enjoy playing consistently. In this video, we'll look at how to find the best new games on Giraffe in 2026, what to look for before installing a game, and how to choose games that fit your playstyle. Let's get straight into it. Giraffe regularly updates its game catalog with new titles. These can include puzzle games, strategy games, simulation games, casual games, and many other categories. Because the available games can vary by country, device, and account, your list may look different from someone else's. Here's a quick win. Before installing a new game, spend a few seconds reading the description and checking the game category. If you dislike strategy games, don't force yourself to play one just because it's new. Long-term consistency is usually more important than chasing every available offer. For example, Alex enjoys city-building games. When a new simulation game appears, he spends more time playing because he genuinely likes it. Meanwhile, Jake installs 5 random games he doesn't enjoy, and stops playing most of them after a day. But here's the problem. Many users assume newer games automatically offer better opportunities. That's not always true. A game that fits your interests may provide a much better overall experience than the latest release. This is where most people fail. They focus on what's new instead of what's enjoyable. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Different game categories appeal to different players. Puzzle games often attract users who enjoy short sessions. Strategy games may appeal to players who like long-term progression. Simulation games can be great for users who enjoy building and managing virtual worlds. Here's another quick win. Try 1 or 2 new games at a time, instead of downloading everything at once. This makes it easier to track your progress and decide which games are worth keeping. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to discover good games. Pay attention to updates inside the app. New recommendations, featured titles, and trending games can help you discover options you might otherwise overlook. Checking regularly can help you stay informed about new additions. Now here's the key takeaway. The best new Giraffe games in 2026 are not necessarily the most popular or the newest. They're the games you enjoy enough to keep playing consistently. Let's recap. Focus on games that match your interests. Explore new categories. Avoid downloading too many at once. And check the app regularly for fresh recommendations. That's the smartest way to find the best games for your experience. If this guide helped you, leave a comment sharing your favorite Giraffe game, hit the like button, and subscribe for more reward app tips, game recommendations, and tech tutorials.